Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Vincent English Medium School. Children, are you ready with your books? Okay, please bring your studio, notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Everyone, please, are you taking care of your health or not? Please stay at home only, have the balanced diet, means healthy food, have the fruits. Mostly have guava. Okay, vitamin C is more in that. Okay, children? Okay, please bring your books. We can start the new lesson, isn't it? Today we have completed lesson number 1. Isn't it? Each and everything in the companion book we have completed. Next one, the studio part also we have completed. Isn't it? These two we have completed for the lesson number 1. I think you are reading at your home. Please read that book. Everyone, please read that studio always. Then only you can understand. Well, children, did you understand? When you are doing practicing, practice, then you will be perfect in that lesson. Okay, children? Okay. Now I want to revise for 1 minute for the first lesson, what we have learned in that. Then we can go for the lesson number 2. Okay, children? Now, bring your studio, everyone, children. Lesson number 1. What is the name of the lesson number 1? Is that title is Magic of Life, isn't it? Magic of Life. Here, Magic of Life, in this we have learned different things. Here we are having the big question, isn't it? We have learned all these things. Here, how do I found out if something around me is living, isn't it? All these things we have learned or not? Actually, how do we learn? Means actually we are having the 7 life process. By seeing that the thing is living or non-living thing, we can identify it, isn't it? These many days we have learned only these things. I think means we got the answer for the big question, isn't it? Okay, children. Next one, overview. These are the 3 questions we have learned continuously, isn't it? Here, learn to differentiate, means we have to differentiate the living thing and non-living thing, isn't it? Did we already we have done, I think. Then in that life process, actually understand different life process performed by the living things. Is it living thing and non-living thing? We have identified, we have differentiated, isn't it? In that also, how we can tell it is a living thing and how we can tell it is a non-living thing. Is it actually living thing is having that every living thing will continuously having a 7 life process, isn't it? We are having 7 life process. By observing these 7 life process, we can tell that thing is non-living thing or living thing, isn't it? These things already we have learned and we have understand what are the life process are there in that and how the process are going on, and then explore the importance of these life processes. Means very important, how these life processes are very important. Means these many things we have learned in the lesson number 1, isn't it? I think you have learned more and more. And you are explaining to your parents also. If you learn any new thing, you can tell, and you can, if you explain to your mother, then you can remember also more. Means when you are explaining, then you can remember. Means you will think about that now. So you have to explain to your parents or anyone who comes to your home, means like your grandmother, grandfather. Then if you know anything, please explain for them, then you can remember, then you can recollect also. Okay, children, now comes to the lesson number 2. Okay. Here, next page number, see everyone, open page number, I think it is 35, is it? Lesson number 2, lesson number 2, is it? Lesson number 2, the world of green, the world of green. Here I want to write the title, here lesson number 2, title, the world of green, isn't it? When you see the green, you will feel very happy or not, is it? I want to tell that what is the meaning of this. The world means around the world. This is the world where we are living in the world, isn't it? We are having the earth, is it? All the countries which are present that we can call as a world. In that so many countries are there. In that country, in that one of the country is India. On that we are living or not, means the world of green. Green, the world is of green, green in color. How? In this lesson we are going to learn the in that first lesson, big question we are having now. Like that here also we are having the question. See here, how do I take care of plants around me? Actually, when you listen a word green, green in color, immediately which things will comes in your mind? Tell me everyone. Very good. Most of you will get the plants, isn't it? Everyone will get that word, that plants. Is it? Everyone. Draw the green color thing means immediately what will you do? You will draw the leaf. Is it leaf is green in color or not? Isn't it? You will draw the plant. Isn't it? Here in this lesson we are going to learn this. The big question is, how do I take care of plants around me? Around us, so many plants are there. How can we take care of them? Those things we are going to learn in this. Means what type of plants are they, how we can take care of them. All these things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, Shalini, this is the big question. Keep it in your mind. And then you have to keep, how do I take care of that? Take care of plants of around me, around ourselves, so many plants are there. You have to take care. This is the big question. Keep it in your mind. That question we are going to learn here. Okay, children. And the next one, overview. Is it? Here also 3 more questions are there. Those questions also we will get the answer by while I will teach all these things. Then you can learn. No problem. You don't feel anything. Okay, children. Did you understand here? What is the first question? In this lesson, we will learn the basic parts of a plant and their function. First thing we have to learn, plants. Is it ourselves? We are there, isn't it? Ourselves we are having. Ourselves, what are there in our body? Here different parts are there or not? Here eyes, nose, mouth, ears, isn't it? Hair, is it? Hands, legs, neck, stomach. Like that different parts are there for me. Is it? Then you can call it as a human body. Like that the plant is also having a different parts. Isn't it? The plant is also having different parts and their function. Here eyes are there. For what purpose we are having eyes? What is the use of the eyes for us? We can see. Isn't it? And nose, we can smell. Mouth, we can eat. Hands, we can hold anything. Isn't it? All these things we have. Isn't it? Definitely. Means each and every part is doing work or not. Isn't it? Means function is there. Isn't it? Here, what is that? I want to tell for ears. Means, what is the function of the ears? We can hear. Like that, each and every part of a plant having a function. That function also we will learn in this lesson. Okay, children. First of all, what are the parts are there for a plant and their function? The first question is we are going to learn, children. Okay. And the next one, observe the varieties in the plants around us. Actually, is it? So many people are there in the world. Isn't it? Each and every person is looking same. No, different. And some of them they are tall and some of them they are big. Some of them they are stout, some of them they are lean. Means we are having a different type of people or not. In the same way, in our world there are different types of plants. Means here we are going to learn, observe the varieties. There are different varieties of plants are there. Those things also we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, first of all we will learn about that. First of all, how to take care of plants. One big question. How to take care of plants, that is one big question. And the next one, what are the parts are there for the plants and their function, that is the second question. And the third question, we are having a varieties of plants around us. What are the varieties are there we are going to learn. Okay, children, did you understand here? And the next one is here, explore the ways to take care of plants around us. Here, how to take care of plants means how many methods are there, means how we can protect, how we can save the plants. Is it nowadays so many people are there cutting that? Is it how we have how to make them to grow? How we have how to make them to grow the plants? These are the things we are going to learn. Did you understand, children? Here these 4 questions we are going to learn in this class. Okay, and not in the class, in this lesson. Okay, children, did you understand here? Next one here. Here next, I want to explain it one more. See here in this class, how to take care of the plants we are going to learn. And next one, different parts of the plants and what their function and varieties of plants and how to explore, means how to take care of plants. All these things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, children, did you understand? We are going to learn about the plants, about that how to protect them and how to grow them and how to, what are the parts are there, and these are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, children, and the next one here, in this picture you can observe here, Is it beautiful picture you can see or not here? Everyone, you can see that beautiful picture. Isn't it? Here see that boy and girl are there. Boy and girl are there, and what they are doing? They are planting, isn't it? Is it? You can see the pot, and one that boy is keeping the soil in the pot, isn't it? Means they are planting, and here you can see around them green in color, isn't it? It is looking very beautiful or not? It means throughout the world it is green, means it is very good for our health also. Means the pollution won't be there, isn't it? So you have to plant. Okay, when your birthday comes, ask your parents to buy a plant and make to grow. Okay, and you have to ask them to plant the more plants. Means you have to make a garden in your house. That is very good. Okay, children, this is the lesson we are going to learn. Okay, next one, please turn the page, everyone, children. Page number 36. Are you taking the studio or not? You have to bring the studio. Page number 35. Till now I have explained for you. Now page number 36. Page number 36. Pep. Everyone see here. Pep. I will explain for you. See here, a beautiful picture is there. You can see everyone. Everyone, beautiful picture is there or not? You can observe everyone. See here. Okay, everyone, can you see that beautiful picture? See, beautiful picture. Page number 36. Page number 36 in your studio. Everyone, children. Okay. Observe that here, when you are seeing this picture, you can see the numbers. Is it see the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. They have given the numbers or not? See, observe the numbered plants in this image of a garden. You can, when you are observing this picture, see that numbering they have given for each and every. Some of the plants, not each and every, some of the plants they have given the numbering. Now I will show that. See here. Here, where is the 1? 1. This is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't it? They have given 10 numbers. Is it 10 types of plants are there or not here? You can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have given number for the plants. Isn't it? Can you see or not? See the text. Open your studio, everyone. See the page number 36. Then you can see the picture. Pep. Observe that numbers. You have to observe it. You have to observe. You have to see that what is there. Think it. And the number, the plants in this image of a garden. They have given numbers for it here. You can see everyone, them numbers. Okay, children, did you understand here? Okay. Now, you have observed now. Now they have given some questions here. Now you have to answer. Now you have to answer here. See here, answer the questions. Here you have to observe here. See everyone. Here they have given the picture. This related to that. Related to that. They have given some questions here. You have to answer it now. Okay, shall we go to answer it? I will ask the questions. You can write it. Answer these questions. Imagine that you are walking taking a walk in this garden. How would you feel? Here, think this is a garden. You went for the walk in that. Did you understand here? You went for the walk. Now, how you will feel? When we are going for a park or any garden or anything, then how you will feel? Is it? How? Very good. You will feel happy or not? Means you have to write the answer here. Happy. Okay, children, you have to write the answer here. Happy, write the answer. 1. Happy. When you are going for a park or a garden, something, when you are seeing a plants, you will feel happy or not? They are asking that. Here, this is the garden. When you are going for a walk, then how you will feel? You will feel very happy, isn't it? Now go for the second question here. Second question, choose any 2 of the plants that you have been numbered in this garden. Write any 2 differences between them. Remember, a tree is a plant too. Actually, here they are asking here, choose any 2 of the plants. First of all, you have to choose, isn't it? First of all, you have to choose any 2 plants. Choose here any 2 plants here, children, everyone. Everyone choose any 2 plants and you have to first of all write their names. Okay, write their names and write any two differences between them. And remember, a tree is a plant too. A tree is a plant too. First of all, if when you are having a big tree, but in few days back it is a tree, plant or not, isn't it? It is a plant, that you have to remember. Now you have to which plants you have selected. I have selected here. See, I have selected here mango tree and watermelon. Now I want to write the answer here. Okay, now I will write it here, children. Everyone. Okay, see for the second one. Answer A and B. Two answers they have asked you. You have to select one. First one is that mango. Mango tree I have selected here. Okay. And next one, this is the A. Answer A. Okay. And how this is different from the other plant? They have asked us to do, isn't it? I have selected mango tree. Number 9. It is number 9. I am writing here. It is number 9. For your understanding, I have written here number 9. I have selected the mango tree. Do you understand here, everyone? What is the difference? And the second one is B, watermelon. I have taken here watermelon. Okay, children. This is that number. Actually, it is a creeper. Plant only, it is a creeper in this type. Here one more thing, you have to see here the number of that watermelon is 10. For your understanding purpose, I am writing the number also, children. Did you understand here? Here I have selected 2. I have observed that 2 plants, that is mango tree, watermelon plant. Okay, watermelon plant. Actually, it is a creeper. Okay, did you understand here? Watermelon creeper. Creeper means it's grows on the ground. Okay, and now they asked us to write two differences. Here, first of all, observe that shape of the leaves. Shape of the leaves. Here, that shape of the leaves of a mango is different, whereas the shape of the leaf for that, whereas a watermelon is different or not. You can write here the shape of the leaves is different. Okay, here. Here they have, okay, I will write it here, then it is better for you. You can understand well here. Okay, first of all, A and B, you can write it here. They have they come in many different forms. It is a tree and it is a plant, isn't it? Shapes and sizes and color, isn't it? You can observe the leaves of a mango tree and you can observe the leaves of that watermelon, isn't it? Actually, it is dark green in color, it is light green in color. Is it? Color is different and the sizes are different. You can see the big leaf for that mango tree, whereas for the watermelon, you can see that small leaves, somewhat it is different. You can observe for that watermelon leaves, it's somewhat different. You can see like this, it will be that somewhat it is different, whereas this is that having that leaf like this. Is it? Actually, I have to draw green in color, then it is better for you. You can observe for this. I will show you. Leaves are the different for that, whereas for the mango tree, there is a different shape, isn't it? Whereas that leaf of that watermelon is having here a weed. Is it? Here the shape is different or not? Is it shape is different, color is different, and that they are having in a different forms. Is a tree. Mango tree is means it will grow in a straight form, whereas that watermelon plant means it will creep, means it will grow on the ground. Okay, did you understand? It won't stand. Okay, children, did you understand here? That is the difference you can observe here. You can write it, children. Actually, when you are going for a walk in the park, then how you will feel means happy, and they are asking us to take it two examples from the means you have to choose two plants here. Two plants you can choose here, mango tree and watermelon plant I have taken. And what is the difference between these two are they come in many different forms. Actually, their shape, size and color is also different. Okay, you can write this in your studio. Okay, children, did you write? Please write this, everyone. Everyone write it, children. Okay, they come in many different forms, shapes, sizes and color. That is the difference, is it? The next one here, if you complete now, I want to expand here. See the page number 37, everyone, in the down itself. Plants makes our world green. Actually, plants are there means our world is green in color. Think that if the plant is not there, isn't it? How the life will be? Isn't it? There is no food for us, isn't it? Rice is coming from the plants only. Each and everything is coming from the plants only, isn't it, children? Here the plants makes our world green. If plants are not there means our life is also not there. The plants makes our world green and beautiful also. Means when you are seeing the plants, see when you want to go to the park, then you will feel very happy. Means why? Because of the plants, and they have green in color and they're beautiful also. Isn't it? Think that when you are seeing a rose flower, are you thinking, are you feel happy or not? Is it? It is looking beautiful also, isn't it? And the next one, they found in almost all the places on the world, on the earth. You will go, you can see small plant, isn't it? Means they are found on in almost all places on the earth. On the earth you can see. Okay, children. And the next one, they come in many different forms. Actually, the plants are in different forms. I want to show you how this is in a different form. See the first pictures, children, here. Here, see that watermelon, where the watermelon is there? It is creeping on that, means it is there on the ground. See here, these two plants. They are big in shape, isn't it? Big in size. And the next one, the color is different, isn't it? Means they are in a different form. You can observe here some plant number 4. You see how it is? It is climbing on the steps or not? It is climbing on the steps. And next one, you can observe here, pot is there. In this pot also small plant is there, isn't it? Here means we can observe here, we are having different forms or not, and different sizes, different shapes and different colors. You can observe the leaves also, dark green in color, dark green is somewhat, light green in color, means the color of the leaves also different. And some of the plants, they will give flowers, isn't it? Very beautiful flowers for like rose, jasmine, isn't it? Here you can observe here, and the plants, they come in many different forms, they come in many different forms, shapes, sizes and colors. Okay, and next one more thing here, the plants also provides food for us and shelter to other living things. Actually, the plants are providing food for us. Where we are getting the food means where we are getting fruits, from where we are getting? From the plants. Rice from the plants. Where does everything we are getting? Most of the things we are getting from the plants or not? Means the plants are providing food for us. Is it providing food for us? Did you understand, children? And it is also, the plants are giving shelter. Shelter means house. Can you tell me the examples? Very good. The birds will build the nest, isn't it? That is that one of that, they are getting the shelter or not? You can see that next one, one more is that monkey. Monkey always climbs up on the trees, isn't it? And the next one, squirrel. Is it? Each and every bird, they will stay on the trees or not? Means it is giving a shelter also, isn't it? It is giving food for us, shelter for us, and it makes our world beautiful, green in color, isn't it? Means we have to grow the plants or not? Means we have to always take care of the plants. Then only it will good for us. Okay, children, did you understand here? The plants makes our world green and beautiful, green and beautiful, and they are found in almost all parts, all places on the earth. It almost, you can see, wherever you will go, you can find one plant. Okay, and the next one, they come in many different forms like shapes, size, colors, and is it? And next one is plants also provides us food. Isn't it? We are getting the fruits, vegetables, rice, each and everything we are getting. Whatever you are having, that you are getting from the plants. Isn't it? And next, not only that, and it is also giving the shelter for so many, shelter to the other living things like birds, squirrels, animals, so many. In the wildlife, you can see the forest. The forest, so many animals are living on the trees only, isn't it? Means it is giving shelter for them. And not only that, one more thing you can observe for that, whereas in the tribal areas, means in the forest area, some of that people, they wants to build their houses on the trees only. Means it is giving the shelter or not, each and everything they will get from the trees. Means plants are that very important for us. Okay children, did you understand everyone here? In this lesson, we will learn more about the plants and ways to take care of them. Actually, we are in that first starting here. Actually, this lesson is, we will learn so many things in this lesson. First thing is that how to take care of the plants. And next one, here one more thing about the plants. What are the parts are there, what are the function are there, and how they are helping for us, and how should we have to take care. All these things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay children, are you ready? In the next class I will continue. Okay children, today you have to do the homework. Now we are getting in that homework part. Children, draw that plant. Draw one plant. Okay, draw any plant. Okay, draw the picture of plant. In the next class, picture of plant you have to draw and color it beautifully. In the next class, I will tell you how to label it. Okay, what are the parts will be there. I think you will draw well. Try it and try. You have to draw the, what is your homework? You have to draw picture of a plant. You have to draw any one you have to draw. Okay, madam, I don't know. No problem. If how you will get, you can draw. Okay, and color it also. If you like, you can do. Okay, children. In the next class, I will continue. Okay, children. Thank you.